With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If R vector is a unit vector such that R vector equal to x of B vector multiplied by C vector plus y of C vector multiplied by A vector plus Z of A vector multiplied by B vector, then mod of R vector dot multiplied by A vector of multiplication by V vector multiplied by C vector, then addition of R vector multiplied by V vector whole multiplied by C vector into A vector, then addition of R vector C vector multiplication by C vector multiplied by V vector mod end. So is equal to, so we have to find the which option is the correct option. Now what is the given in the question we have to write. So what is the given? R is a unit vector, that is x V vector multiplied by C vector plus y C vector multiplied by A vector plus Z A vector multiplied by B vector. Then the second term will be if this term, then this term is equal to what? So we have to find the answer. Then mod of R vector A vector multiplied by V vector into C vector plus R dot V vector C vector multiplied by A vector, addition of R vector C vector, then A vector multiplied by V vector. So this is the condition and we have to find which is the equal to. Then we have to take as common. Then we got R vector dot A vector is equal to R vector equal to 2. Then the remaining vector will be V vector multiplied by C vector plus y. So there will be x, not 2. So x y, the y term will be C vector multiplied by A vector, and the last term will be plus z A vector into B vector. From this we have to find the answer. Now make another condition, then that will be R dot A vector, that is x of vector A, vector B, vector C. Similarly, vector R dot A, that is, sorry, that will be B because we had already write vector A. So R vector dot B vector, the result will be y, because this term will y of C vector into A vector. Similarly, then we got A vector, B vector, C vector. Then the last term will be R dot C vector, which is equal to Z of A vector, B vector, C vector. Now from this we can solve the question. On solving we get mod of R vector multiply dot A vector V vector multiply by C vector plus R vector dot B vector multiply by C vector and A vector, then addition of The last term will be r vector dot c vector multiply by a vector into b vector. So from this is the mod, and we know the value of r vector dot a vector will be x of abc, and we know from this we got, in this term we got abc x of a vector, b vector, c vector. Then we got the final answer on this place. Then we got a vector, b vector, c vector. So hence the answer is vector a, vector b, vector c. So right answer will be this term.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.